Down and out a yacht of is ver mi skript och
Keeping people stimulated is a big part of what we do here. We always talk about music, and we talk about, but that is such a central part. It's a very powerful tool.
Music is just really important to them. They always just sing along and they remember the words, and if not, they're going along with the rhythm. We've got a gentleman down there. He's very quiet, he's blind, and he's quite deaf sometimes. But when you start singing in his ear, he starts singing along and giggling with you, so it's lovely to see.